Right, I'm in the middle of making up a card, and I had an email from somebody asking me how I do the happy birthday with the cut around edge on, so I thought I'd do a quick wee video while I'm doing it. I've stamped it up in, this is one of the 3 sets from Celebration. Stamped it up in Granny Apple Green because that's the colours I'm using along with this, what do you call it, So Saffron. So what you want to do is stamp your happy birthday and leave yourself a good rim of, oh my goodness, a good edge, and then just follow the lines, really not close and you're not going in too far, but you're leaving a wee tip, and go up for the likes of the separation of the letters. Do it again and then bring this one right the way up. And then you're working around your birthday. Keep it in. Just use the lines of the letters to go up and down. Just move your scissors as you're going along. Round the Y at the end. Follow that on up. It's going out here. Chop off when you need to. Don't try and work your way around that because it can be awful awkward. The light's not great here at the minute. We're just after 4 o'clock and it's not so bright outside. Same here, up round your L, or your D, sorry, that's a D. And then you can go down inside these ones if you want, because there's a wee bit of a gap. And then back up around the H. And I've come a wee bit closer, but you'll see it really won't matter by the time you're putting this together. It'll still look pretty good. It's just another way, another element to get out of your stamps rather than just cutting straight blocks all the time. This adds a wee bit of interest. So just go across these ones, back and around your H. Just keep your edges rounded rather than diagonal. And just round your H and down to the bottom. And we'll just round that wee edge off there. So as you can see, that's it cut out nicely. So what you want to do now is a bit of glue onto the back. Covering all your wee edges. Oops. And again, stick that where you're going to have enough rim to go around it with your scissors. I'm just sticking it directly, and then when you're sticking it onto your card, you can 3D it from behind. And again, just cut your excess off and just follow your white line. And just try and leave the same amount of rim the whole way around each cut that you made before in the white. You may not get down this yellow bit this time because it's a bit tight. And just keep following around. I really have not got good light here for me even to see. If you're bored of this, just speed it up to the end and you'll see how it looks at the end. Last wee bit. And that should be it. This is the card that I'm going to be popping it on, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And I'm just going to stamp the age there and then the name down below. So hope that gives you another wee idea for your cards. Remember to put dimensionals on the back and just raise it up. It'll look that wee bit nicer. So that's me. Bye.